Hi everybody, this is a very quick house fairy video. I thought I would show you a little upcycling project that I did. I bought this very large Parker Knoll dresser storage unit. It's a vintage one. It's solid pine with a beech veneer. I bought it at an auction for £20. Nobody else wanted it. I knew that nobody else would want it because nobody wants these kind of things. But I knew that it separated into 8 parts, and I knew that I could rejig the parts and use them in various projects. So I went along and I picked most of it up. I did leave the middle section, the glass display unit and the drawer section underneath, because at the time I didn't think I was going to be able to use it. I left that at the auctioneers and I said sell it for what you can get for it. It did end up selling for £5, and I'm now kicking myself wishing that I had kept it because I could have used it. But never mind, we live and learn, and I will now show you what I made with the parts that I did take: the bottom left and right cupboards and then the left and right top parts. I used the 2 base cupboards to support this worktop, where I'm going to do music work or reading, playing a keyboard. This is in my dining room, on one wall of my dining room. I needed two base cupboards, and there they were in this auction for going for next to nothing, so they were perfect for that project. I put them on levelling feet, little metal levelling feet. I will put a link in the description. I've not finished that job yet. I've got to take it all out, put the skirting in at the back. Anyway, this is the other bit, the other thing that I made. This is a very tall floor-to-ceiling cupboard, putting one on top of the other. These are the higher-up cupboards. Just put them on top of each other, screwed them all together, and put them on levelling legs. Again, I'll put the product link in the description. And I attached it to the wall as well at the top. And that's for storing all of my business packaging and little boxes and everything. Absolutely brilliant, really solid. It would have cost an absolute fortune to buy it, so I'm delighted with these 2 little projects. I got the £5 back from that middle part, so altogether it cost £15 plus the auctioneer's commission, about £20, so £10 for each part. The upstairs tall cupboard and the £10 for the base cupboard, so I think that's an absolute bargain. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye!